Affiliate marketing is a performance-based online business where you earn commissions by promoting products, services through affiliate links. In 2025, increased AI usage, analytics tools, and a booming e-commerce environment made affiliate marketing more profitable and accessible. I focused on high-ticket programs with commissions between $500 to $2,000. Research and niche alignment were key. My platforms included YouTube for tutorials, TikTok and Instagram Reels for short videos, blogging for SEO, and email marketing for recommendations. AI tools were crucial to my success, providing content creation help, optimized copy, and analytics for trends. I drove traffic both organically through SEO and content creation, and with paid ads via Google and Facebook. The key to earning $100,000 in 3 months was high-ticket offers, consistent promotion, and scaling efforts strategically. Challenges included building trust, high competition, and low initial conversions, which I overcame with free value and focus. Advice for beginners: choose a profitable niche, leverage AI, create value, be patient, and reinvest earnings to scale. Absolutely. With the right mindset and consistent effort, anyone can replicate these results by choosing the right niche and staying updated.